Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set your fiscal year in QuickBooks. Your business runs on its own calendar. Let's make sure that QuickBooks follows it. Here's how to set your fiscal year the right way. Step 1 is to log into QuickBooks Online. Now from your dashboard, click the gear icon in the top right corner, and then under your company, you're going to select Accounts and Settings. Step 2 is to go to the Advanced tab. In the left-hand menu, click Advanced and then scroll down to the Accounting section. Next is to set your fiscal year start. Find the field that's labeled first month of fiscal year. Use the drop down to choose the correct month that your fiscal year begins. For example, if it's January, April, or July, whatever it is. For businesses following the calendar year, just leave it at January. Next is to click Save Changes. So click Save and then Done at the bottom right to exit settings. A bonus tip, setting the right fiscal year ensures that your reports like profits and loss or balance sheets all align with how you file taxes or track performances. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.